Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you have been warned. So look. Here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Yes. In the multiverse. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. We have a great show for you today. Bang! Great show for you today, daggone. Oh, yeah. All right. All right, look. Settle down. All right. So, let's get to the stories. All right. Polygon is going to do a decentralized autonomous organization, a DAO. Bang, we're going to read about that. And then Galaxy Digital and Bloomberg are coming up with a DeFi index. Trusted numbers, perhaps. We'll see. And then finally, here comes another fucking fund by another major bank. Wells Fargo is going to offer a passive Bitcoin fund. And we're going to read about that. And then we're going to do the shout-outs and the daily summary as usual. So look, let's begin. We begin with a bang. And then we do a little bit of look. Bang. Oh, yeah, a little bit of bang. A little bit of refresh. All right, a little bit of refresh. All right, price of Bitcoin, $47,080. And when I left you yesterday, actually it's $47,138 for this very second. It keeps moving, right? All right. We went up a lot. Oh, wait, when I left you yesterday, we were only at $44,509. So we've gone up. How much is this? $2,571. $2,571 up. Bang! Wow, those are the kind of numbers. Daggone, right? Bitcoin, it was a little shitty little number. Couple hundred up, couple hundred down. Anyway, look. Top 10. Hold on. Shit. Get my shit sorted. Top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know who they daggone are. Daggone usual suspects. Bunch of miscreants. Daggone miscreants. Look. Top 10 of the day. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, Tether, XRP, Dogecoin, USD Coin, Polkadot, and bang! Solana still holding on to number 10. But look at this. Bang, bang. Look at Cardano at number 3. Wow. Told you, man. That Japanese approval, getting approved by the Japanese government, the government of Japan. Fuck, dude. That made all the difference. That made all the difference for Cardano. Cardano, look at it. At $2.50 fucking cents. Thank God. Yeah, that Japanese approval, man. That rocked it. And actually, there's talk about institutional investors are starting to gobble up Cardano now. I think they're going to do what Cardano is doing. What are they doing? They're releasing, or they're going to have, I think, smart contracts, right? Or something like that. And, apparently institutions are quite impressed, and they're starting to gobble up Cardano. Yeah, like even American ones. Wow. Not institutions like the mega banks, but at least family offices and stuff are. All right, anyway, look, let's just move on. We'll fucking talk about that shit when it gets there. All right, so we just did the top 10. So, look, market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. Bang! Look at Cardano, 17% up today. Bang, bang, bang. That Japanese thing, man, that did all the work right there. XRP, still got fucking fools buying that shit. Polkadot up 10%. I'm going to buy a token where they're under SEC indictment and the executives are under indictment. Well, that's real smart investing, fuckstick. Here goes Polygon. Yeah, this is what it should look like, 13% up. Daggone right with what I'm about to read you. Stellar. Buy. Look at you, V-Chain. Look, look. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, brothers. V-Chain. The V stands for victory. Yes. Victory, brothers. It will bring us our victory. All right, sickle this up, sickle this down. Look at the graph. Bang. Clayton. Bang. Holy, look at all these gains. Look, look. Don't get priced out. Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. Because look, look. We on a roll. FTX token. Bah. Daggow. Look at all the good. Algorand. Look, look. Bang. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at Kusama. Bang. All right. Let's just do it like how we normally do it. I'm getting too excited. Daggone. You see those gains? Fuck, those are some solid gains. Fucking massive gains. All right, guys. Let's look at who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it because it's on sale. And you better get it because, look, look, you don't want to be priced out. You do not want to be priced out. Audius. Look at that thing. That thing's up 100. Look at the percentage of the week, though. It's down 9% today, but it's up 102% on the week. Right? What did they do? They did something. I read about it earlier this week. They hooked up with some company. Fuck. I don't remember, guys. Anyways, look. Top 10 losers. Top 10 losers. Audius. Terra. Arweave. Solana. Near Protocol. Terra USD. DAI. Binance USD. Tether. And USD Coin. Let's see who made money this today. Bah! Holy, look at those flipping gains right there. That's some fat-ass gains. Look. Top 10 gainers. Swissborg, The Graph, Cardano, Thorchain, Curve DAO token, Sushi Swap, Clayton, Polygon, Phantom, and V-Chain. You just keep doing that, V-Chain. You just keep doing that. Yes. All right, look. Total market cap. Bang. There we go. That's some sweetness right there. Back above 2 trillion. Total market cap, $2.033 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we were at $1.912 trillion. So we've gone up. Oh, we've gone up indeed. We have gone up 0.121 trillion dollars. Bang. See what total market cap is. Or sorry. What do you got? 24-hour volume. Bang. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, and that's what you like to see. You like to see a high volume with nice gains, meaning people came in here and they bought. Right? Because sometimes you see high volume, but the price goes down. Well, that means a lot of people came in and sold. Look, we don't want any of that. Look. All right. 24-hour volume is $112.8 billion. Actually, when I left yesterday, it was $109.8 billion, so we've gone up $3 billion. All right. Look, let's get to the stories. Dang on right. Let's get to the stories. Bang! Polygon will create a decentralized autonomous organization. So, again, this isn't an onboarding per se. This is one of those stories, like I told you, like upgrading, but it's going to bring money to the chain, right? Well, to the company, Polygon, right? And so that's why I'm doing this one. I know it's just an upgrade, but it's going to bring the money. All right. So let us check it out. So, Ethereum scalability infrastructure developer Polygon said it will form a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, for all of its community members, as well as projects in decentralized finance, or DeFi. In a Thursday announcement, Polygon called on its members to express their views on the platform, forming a DAO. According to Polygon, it plans to create committees to promote discussions between projects including QuickSwap, Sushi Ave, and others to bring DeFi to the next million users. As the Polygon ecosystem grows, the committee members have a front row seat opportunity over others to increase cross-collaboration for their products, said the project. Voting for elections of new members could be implemented in multiple ways, like by using staked Matic or POS or via the DAO token holders. So Polygon said the DAO could offer a solution to scale projects on the software development kits, or SDKs. Other benefits could include anyone building tooling, integration, and projects on Layer 2 rollups. So the announcement comes less than a week after Polygon said it would be merging Hermes Network into its ecosystem for $250 million. The merger was part of Polygon's expansion into zero-knowledge proofs. Bang! All right, so there you go. Polygon creating a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, and that should help organize everything and stuff like that. All right, let's move on. Bye. Look, Galaxy Digital partners with Bloomberg for DeFi Index. And this is the cool thing. So let's read the byline. According to Bloomberg, the 9 DeFi assets selected for the index at the launch were based on institutional trading and custody readiness. So in the United States. And so that's how they chose these ones that are on this index. In this index, not on it, in it. Well, I guess on it too, whatever you want to call it. Look, let's check it out. Bang! Financial news site Bloomberg and Galaxy Digital Management have expanded their crypto offering to track the performance of the decentralized finance space. In a Thursday announcement, Bloomberg said it would launch an index currently tracking 9 different decentralized finance projects with Galaxy Digital. As of August 1st, these projects include Uniswap, Aave, Maker, Compound, Yearn Finance, Synthetic, SushiSwap, Ox, and UMA. So decentralized finance is growing as the next major investment theme within crypto. Fuck, this DeFi thing is major, man. It is getting major. I think Gary Gensler, Big Brains, he said some shit like yesterday, like he said something like, like we got to regulate this space. You know what I mean? Because it's going to be big. Yeah, this DeFi thing. So if you're DeFi token holders, I know there's a bunch of you guys out there. Yeah, your shit's going to rock. Your shit is going to rock and roll. This DeFi thing is mega. Well, will be mega. Everyone's talking about it. Even the banksters are like, yo, man, this DeFi thing, man, this is going to be big. Yeah. All right, so as liquidity and institutional custody solutions continue to grow, DeFi has become an increasingly compelling option for institutional investors. According to Bloomberg, the DeFi assets were selected based on institutional trading and custody readiness in the United States, in addition to the quality of pricing. The news outlet said no single project would ever represent less than 1% of the index's overall value, but no more than 40%. So the funds arm of Galaxy Digital, Galaxy Fund Management, will also offer its own passively managed fund, tracking the performance of Bloomberg's listed under the ticker DeFi. So Bloomberg and Galaxy Digital are making the fund, and it's passively managed, meaning you just put the stuff in it, and whatever happens. And then Galaxy Digital is going to be the one actually putting it out there, and it's going to be called. Its ticker symbol is going to be DeFi. So look, the announcement comes 3 years after Bloomberg and Galaxy Digital first partnered to create a joint crypto benchmark index. At its launch in May 2018, the index tracked 10 cryptocurrencies from the largest, most liquid portion of the market, which included Bitcoin and Ethereum. Duh, since they're number 1 and 2. Bloomberg and Galaxy Digital's new DeFi index follows the creation of a DeFi crypto index fund operated by fund manager Bitwise in February. Though Bitwise reported returns of 46.4% over the last month, the fund has a net asset value of 8.6% less since its inception. All right. Bang. All right, so there we go. Galaxy Digital partners with Bloomberg. You all know about Bloomberg. Literally every fucking market master uses what's called a Bloomberg terminal. So this is big news. And good for Galaxy Digital getting on this. I mean, it's just an index. But, well, it's not just an index because they're also launching this fund. Right? They're also launching a fund. A passively managed fund. So, bang, bang, look. All right, let's move on. Bang. Wells Fargo launches passive Bitcoin. Oh, so here's another passively managed fund. Bitcoin fund for wealthy clients. So JP Morgan also registered its passive Bitcoin fund with U.S. regulators on Thursday. So look. So you see what I'm talking about. When I talked to you last week, I told you, holy fuck, guys, I mean, everyone is launching every kind of fund they can, right now. I mean, and I've told you about this. I told you that's what markets really are. Markets are funds, right? Here's the stock market. These 4 fingers right here. This part of the stock market that you see every day when you go to CNBC or go to Bloomberg, up 1,000, down 1,000, up 100, down 100. Yeah, that's a tiny slice of the fucking stock market here in America and in your country too. If you're listening to me in an English-speaking country or just in Europe or anywhere civilized, your stock market is this, that up and down part. Yeah, your real stock market, though, is all this. 75% of your market are funds. Yeah, you right now sitting here listening to me, yeah, your 401k, that's what's in there, right? You're forced, America and all English-speaking countries force their workforce, you, worker bee, to invest in the stock market for your retirement now, right? You don't have pensions anymore like my mother, right? And I'm sure your mother too, well, depending how old you are, right? They would retire and get pensions. In other words, the company would just, those days are over. In the 1990s, 401ks came out and bang, that's what's your market. The stock market is all you guys with your 401ks. Funds. I mean, more funds. There's more funds than just that. There's mutual funds and wealth funds and all these kind of funds, but the vast majority is you. So that's why when anyone ever tells you, oh man, the stock market's going to crash. It can't crash because everything is bought up. The funds they bought everything already. And, they're not selling. They're not weak hands, right? They hodl that shit forever, right? As long as the fund is alive, they hodl what's in it, so your 401k might have Facebook, Microsoft, Google in it, right? Yeah, well, those shares are gone forever. Unless that fund collapses and shuts down, which does happen. I'm not going to bullshit you. It happens, but rarely, funds, they're quite profitable and stable. And so, anyways, so what's the point, Shomari? So the point is, you see, that's how the stock market really is. It's all these funds. And well, this market's not going to be any different. It's going to be just fund after fund after fund after fund. That's why I told you guys last week, there's going to come a point where I'm going to stop fucking talking about every single fund that comes out because there's going to be thousands of them worldwide. And so, I might do a thing called Fund Watch. Like maybe on the crypto wrap-up show at the end of the week, the weekly wrap-up thing. Maybe I'll do, okay, guys, Here's what funds happened this week. In Germany, blah, blah, blah fund, blah, blah, blah fund, blah, blah, blah fund. In Switzerland, blah, blah, blah fund, blah, blah, blah. In Canada, blah, blah, blah. Like I'll just name them or something. We won't read like this, like I'm about to read you a whole story, right? Because it's going to be, what I'm trying to say to you is, well, there's going to be a tsunami of funds, right? That's the tsunami, like when all these funds come out, really. Because that's what these guys do. They build funds out of shit. And so, well, the tsunami is more than just funds. But I mean, just like any market, well, the stock market, yeah, it's a major portion. And so, here's another one. And this one is a passive fund for wealthy clients. All right, let's check it out. So look, Wells Fargo on Thursday registered a private Bitcoin fund with U.S. regulators. So private fund. So this is not an ETF. It's a private fund. So this is not an exchange-traded fund where soccer mom wakes up, opens her E-Trade account, presses a little button and can buy it. No, you have to actually go in, fill out the paperwork and become part of it. Right? So a source familiar with the matter told CoinDesk the new fund is passive, a break from earlier reports that Wells Fargo would pitch wealthy investors with an actively managed offering. So a passive offering and an actively managed offering, I mean, it says what it is, right? Like a passive fund is you just put the assets in the fund and that's it. Like whatever the assets do, all right, well, that's how much the fund will be worth, depending on the ups and downs of whatever you put in the fund. Whereas an actively managed fund there's an actual trader behind it. So he actually trades the fund. Well, he trades the assets in the fund to keep it profitable, right? Whereas passively managed, it's just, all right, whatever happens kind of thing, right? Well, not kind of thing, exactly that. So look, NYDIG and FS Investments are partnering with Wells Fargo on the offering. According to regulatory documents, the pair have worked together on Bitcoin funds before. Wells Fargo gets a cut of sales through two subsidiaries. Exactly. Wells Fargo's getting their cut. Look, Wells Fargo's going to collect that chicken. You think, all right, they are. They ain't doing this for free. They're not doing out this the kindness of their heart. This ain't charity work. This is straight cash, homie. Look. And if crypto's going to bring us the cash, look, we're going to offer some crypto then. You know what I'm saying? Like that shit we read with JP Morgan a few weeks ago, right? Jamie Dimon said, look, I think crypto sucks. But the lady at the digital arm of JP Morgan said, well, if our clients want it, we're going to make sure they can get their hands on it, right? Basically is what she said. So we can collect those daggone fees. All right, she basically said, well, we're not promoting it. But if they want it, well, as long as they pay us the fees, we'll get it for them. So, well, the banksters are here. So the new fund, FS NYDIG Bitcoin Fund 1 LP, did not have any sales on Thursday, as of Thursday. So JP Morgan's passive Bitcoin fund was also filed with the SEC on Thursday. As CoinDesk previously reported, it is also a partnership with NYDIG. So Wells Fargo did not immediately provide a comment. All right, so bang. So there's another one. So as you've noticed, all the major banks, we've read JP Morgan, we've read Bank of America, we've read Charles Schwab, right? They're all offering private funds at least. So the ETF stuff you have to apply for, but private ones you're allowed to just do. And so, right, those are all the big names. Those are the biggest of the biggest. So it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time until, once we get regulatory clarity, all these funds are here. All these guys are already ready to service this market, us, the consumers, and the institutions, and boom, that whole to the moon stuff that crypto people like to say. Well, in the market, we like to say massive gains. We are going to see massive gains, massive ROI, return on investment. Or, as crypto people like to say, to the moon. All right, let's move on. Bang. Where are we going here? Bam. Connecting the dots. Letter with the sheep of the bang. CB News. Deloitte blockchain survey. 78% say digital assets important in 2 years. Oh, so let's read the byliner. Let's read down here. Deloitte's 2021 blockchain survey focused on digital assets, finding that 78% see it as important to their business in the next 2 years. I told you guys back, and that's why I told you guys about that Ethereum thing. All these institutions are buying up Ethereum all of a sudden, right? And like I said, I mean, I'm speculating. I don't know why all of a sudden they're buying it, but I'm just assuming they're beginning to understand the power of smart contracts, and they want a place to do smart contracts, and so they're buying Ethereum because Ethereum, like I told you guys, it's what do you call it? There's no vendor lock-in because Ethereum's not owned by a company, so there's no vendor lock-in, and you can run your smart contract on it as you want, and so that's why I think that that's why all of a sudden these institutions are starting to buy Ethereums, because I'm assuming they're going to hire a bunch of code monkeys to build them smart contracts to get stuff done down the road, right? And so that's why they're buying all the Ethereum now. Well, it's cheaper than it will be in, say 2-5 years, right? Okay, so Deloitte blockchain survey. Bang! Absolutely. All right, new follower. Neok followed me. Neok, love and see with bang. Deep entertainment. Look. So, brother. Love and see with bang. All right. See what we got here. DGen DeFi. All right, love and see with a bang. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Love it with the sea, brother. Bang. Andrew Richada, you enforcer. What are you trying to sell, homeboy? You better settle out. Settle out. Hodl. Why? Because the juice is worth the squeeze. Oh, yeah, this juice is going to be worth that daggone squeeze, boy. You hodl. And you hodl hard. Tell him, Andrew. Love it with the sea, brother. Bye. Banks. Love it with the sea, brother. Bye. Beat him. Oh, we did beat him. Robbie Hardaway. Wait. Robbie Hardaway. All right. We can't do a story every single night because I can't think of anything right now. So I'm not going to do it. So not tonight. But, like I said, I got to come up with like a list. Because if we do it every night, then I'm going to run out of shit to save eventually, right? So it has to be special, kind of like Van Brenen. All right. So Robbie Hardaway. He's been with us so long, his picture's in black and white. Larry with the sea with the bang. But I can think of some funny things. Look, technically bullish. Larry with the sea with the bang. Universal Misanthrope. A loyalist from Central Europe holding down the insurgency in Central Europe. Look, bang. Yes. Sunny Bee, Spy Lady, Living Lady, See You Lady. Yes, the assassin. The silent assassin. The sexy assassin. Oh, you. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Okay, enough. I don't want to be inappropriate. Radster, holding down the insurgency in Eastern Europe. Love you, the sea, brother. Bang. Grudgeable. I'm going to go check my mailbox soon and see if that shit came. Love you, the sea, brother. Bang. Probably this weekend I'll do it. I'll do it on Saturday or something. I'm so lazy. The fucking post office is like just a couple blocks from my house, but it's like, fuck, I don't want to go. Look. Oh, here's Kong. What's Kong talking about? CB News. What, Kong? CB News. Chaining to the rescue around these parts. Look. Daggone right. Bang. Chaining to the rescue. Bang. Chaining to the rescue. Bang. Look. What else we got? Polygon. DAO. Launching a decentralized autonomous organization. Bang. Galaxy Digital and Bloomberg coming up with a DeFi index and a fund. Bang. And Wells Fargo, passive Bitcoin fund. Here come the funds. Lever for the cheaper though. Bang. Lever for the cheaper though. Bang. Look. Bang. All right. That's how we do it. Bang! Look. All right, that's everybody, huh? Oh, what's Grunchable got? Oh, Grunchable has an actual bang. Look. He said, look. Bang. Bang. There we go. All right, Grunchable daggone. Bang. Sometimes you just got to let it out. Just let out your bang. Oh, Biniam. What do you say? CB News. We're proud to support Olive Times, a premium olive oil brand in China, to digitalize their supply chain and marketing. As consumers increasingly demand for quality and transparency, VeChain is the key to serve the next generation of consumers. Yeah, VeChain has another onboarding. They onboarded this olive oil company, and well, bang. That's all you can say about that. All right, so that's good enough. Oh, there's that girl, Breelys. Yeah, she was here. Oh, my head. She's probably behind my head. Let me move it up. Oh, I can't move it up. Breelys. Yeah, she was here in South Beach. Yeah, I tried to talk to her, but yeah, we missed each other. So next time, but I saw your pictures. Bang, I'm glad you had a lot of fun. Good stuff. All right, let's get back to the bugs. Get back to the Death Star. All right, guys. So we had a great show for you today. Holy, these shows lately, they're pretty quick, aren't they? Like half an hour and shit. Yeah, this one's only 31 minutes so far. Oh, that's how it goes. Sometimes, sometimes you don't have to yap. You don't just yap for the sake of yap, and you yap to get a point across. But these are pretty self-explanatory, and so let's check them out. Polygon. Oh, so we had a great show for you today. Bye. Polygon is going to offer a decentralized autonomous organization for its whole ecosystem. Sounds like, I guess, so they can collaborate with each other, and the different people in the ecosystem collaborate with each other and work stuff out and just get organized over there. I mean, Polygon is onboarding so many people lately. I mean, I guess you probably have to get organized. Like, daggone, we've onboarded so many people. We gotta get this thing fucking organized, man. Daggone. So, bang, and Polygon hodlers, bang. Good for you. All right. And then Galaxy Digital and Bloomberg offer a DeFi index. Well, so, DeFi is about to become mega in the next couple of years. I've been reading, like I said, I'm not a DeFi master. I don't really know that much about it, but even the banksters are starting to say, like, yo, man, this is a good idea. This is a big thing. Sort of automates financing, right, is what they're trying to say. Like, I don't know what personally, I don't like that. Personally, I would rather go talk to a banker if I want a loan or something, but whatever, man. I guess this is simple. You just punch in your numbers and it'll give you the money you want or something. So anyways, DeFi is about to be huge. And, this is about DeFi tokens. And Galaxy Digital and Bloomberg are creating an index to list, I believe it was 9 tokens, right? And so, yeah, DeFi guys, if you guys are into it, don't be afraid to accumulate because it's going to be something good. Bang! And then finally, Wells Fargo Passive Bitcoin Fund. And so, like I said, like I've shown you, here's your market. All this, Dow Jones up 100, down 100. Yeah, that's just one little slice of the market. Your market is really this, funds. Your stock markets are all funds. You, with your 401ks and your retirement funds and all that, and pension funds, and I go on and on. I mean, funds after mutual funds and funds after funds after funds, right? That's really your market. This stuff is just the sexy stuff, the cowboys flying in and out. But your market is really that. And, it's going to be the same thing here. It's just going to be a bunch of funds. Sure, I'm sure 5 years down the road, there will be some sort of digital asset index, sort of like a NASDAQ, and it'll be reported on the news. Digital asset market is down blah, blah, blah percent today, up blah, blah, blah percent today, just like they do with the Dow or the NASDAQ. But let's get real. it's all a bunch of funds. It's all going to be a bunch of funds. And that's what I'm telling you guys. I mean, I'm pretty much seeing that over the next few years. It's just going to be so many funds. So we're not going to just talk about every single fucking fund that comes out, because it'll make the show boring. It'll be like I'd have to call the show, cryptocurrency blockchain fund show. I mean, that's how it's going to be. Like, it's going to be like that. Mega, like just funds coming out everywhere. Holy shit. So we'll have to change up the format a little bit. But for now, we'll just stick with doing what we're doing right now. So Wells Fargo, though, passive Bitcoin fund. And so I told you, passive fund is you just buy the asset and leave it alone, right? You just leave the fund alone, and it does what the asset does. Here's the fund, here's the asset. The asset goes up, the fund goes up. The asset goes down, the fund goes down, right? It's pretty simple. It's just a derivative. Whereas an actively managed fund, usually has a few assets inside, and then there's an actual trader, and he's, or she, is, actively managing it, buying and selling stuff in and out of it all the time, right? Trying to get the most gains for the clients, right? So this is a passive Bitcoin fund, and Wells Fargo, as you all know, here in America, Wells Fargo is, I don't know if they're one of the top 4 banks in America, but they're up there. I mean, probably within the top 6 or 7 for sure. And, for sure. I know that for sure. Maybe it is the top 4. I don't know. But they're around 6 or 7 for sure. And there it is. Like, here is institutional recognition of this space. And, like I said, it's a passively managed fund, and it's a private fund. So you actually have to apply to get into this thing. It's not an ETF, right? ETFs we're waiting for. That's the one we're really waiting for, because those just show up on someone's E-Trade account, Soccer mom just, boop. Yeah, easy. And so, great. So another fund, guys. And so here it is. The money is just starting to pour in. And so you have to accumulate. Now, every single fucking paycheck you get. Remember this, worker bee. You get 26 paychecks a year. That's it. Right? How else do you get money? I mean, unless you have some sort of side hustle. But most of you just go to work and go home. Back to your wife and kids. Or your husband and kids. Whatever. Whether you're male or female. And so, you got to take every fucking penny you can and put it into crypto right now. Just buy the bare minimum for food. Just to keep yourself alive and working. And the rest, bang. Accumulate, because here we go. Here come the funds. We've been reading about them, and I mean, we already read about, about a month ago, we read about the Germans. So here it comes, and any minute now, here come the fucking Americans. And when they come, you know what's going to happen around here. Boom. All that to the moon shit. Boom. Massive gains. And which are great, because we want those. But if you haven't bought what you needed, you're going to miss out, right? You don't want to be what's called priced out of the market. In other words, something is $1 today, and you're like, yeah, I'll buy 1,000 of those. All right? And if you wait, though, then, a couple weeks from now, bang, it's $2 a piece. Oh, and that's, that eats into your gains that you would have made if you bought it at $1 a piece, right? And so you need to accumulate now. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. You only get one shot at this. When it flies, it's over. Okay? It's over. So, like in 2019 when Bitcoin was only $3,000, yeah, if you bought some back then, good for you. If you didn't, well, it's over now. They're 45 grand now. What? 47,000 now. So, you see how it works? You get priced out of something. So buy all that you can with every single paycheck you can, every fucking penny you ever get. You just put it in that fucking crypto. All right? And because we're close now. We are close to regulatory clarity. And when that comes, I mean, fuck. honestly, when that comes, it's probably not going to be any more accumulating. It's just going to be sitting back and watching the money rise. I mean, I don't know. Well, I mean, you got to accumulate forever, but just it'll be different. So do that. Wells Fargo, because here they come. Here come the banksters, just like I promised you. All right, so on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Bye. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. So subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Look. In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. Oh, yeah. All the crypto-ness. So, until then, subscribe here and press the bell. Bang. So you don't miss the greatness. Watch that video there so you witness the greatness. And then, which you've just witnessed right now. But there's another one, another piece of greatness there. And then until then, I'll see you tomorrow. Always watching on money. And look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Bang. Daggone right. Look. Over and out.